What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Raquel. If you want to achieve this look, keep watching.
Shuffle, know I become. Yeah. They ain't show no love when I had no racks. Thank God for the plug. Now I got nothing packed. Me to fall in love in the Nissan Max. Fuck it in the back seat like we in a make back. Niggas stay back. I move the room, wiping the back. He got a boom. She make it clap. She make it boom, boom. Can't show no love cause love come cheap. Hit my phone, we ready to cheat.
So first, I'm going to start off by dividing my hair and basically like I have up, half down. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine wasn't, but you'll see. Next, I'm going to divide the top half into 5 sections. So it's going to be one big section in the middle, 2 big sections on the side, and in between each big section is going to be a smaller section, which I'll show you. You'll see. In the 2 smaller sections, I'm going to do 2 small braids, and then we'll move on to the next. This is what the 2 braids look like on this side, and with the other side section, I'm gonna divide that into 4, and I'm gonna do like the rubber band method and do the diagonal where you crisscross the rubber bands. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but I'm gonna show you in the video. You're gonna see. Same thing I do to this side, I'm going to do to the other side. And then the only part left will be the middle section. And for the middle section, I'll divide that into 2 as well. And on one half, you're going to do 6 smaller sections. Instead of 4, you're going to do 6 and cross those sections together. And then do the same thing to the other half. Again, if this isn't making sense, just watch the video. I'll show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. So this is what one half looks like. Now I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other half, and then we'll be completely done with the front portion of the hairstyle. Now that the front's done, I'm going to sleek my hair all the way up into a high ponytail. And then I'm going to braid my ponytail and add my bundles to the ponytail for the ponytail. Okay, I know I said that wrong. But again, you're going to see. Just watch. Some people glue their ponytails on, some people sew them. I prefer to sew them because I feel like it's way less messier. It's easy for me to take out, and it's easy for me to put on. Unfortunately, my camera died, so I couldn't get the rest of the video. But this is me at the top of the ponytail now. I'm about to wrap my little piece around there. And boom, I'm going to be done. You can, like, style the ponytail however you want. I chose not to mess with it because I was already being lazy. I was already done with the hairstyle, and it looked cute enough to me. So I just left it how it is. But this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what more content y'all want to see, and I got you.
Ain't show no love when I had no racks. Thank God for the plug. Now I got nothing packed me to fall in love. In the Nissan Max, fuck it in the back seat like we in a make back. Niggas stay back. I move the room, wiping the back. He got the boom, she make it clap. She make it boom, boom. Can't show no love, cause love come cheap. Hit my phone.